The IFS and if function does the same thing. The difference is that IFS function is easier to read and requires lesser formula to get the same result. On the left, we have the last lesson where we use the if function, and on the right, we would do the same thing using the IFS function. I'm going to write out the formula and we will go through it together. All right, let's go through the IFS function. So similarly, we have to define the condition. So we start with our IFS function. We open up the parentheses and we start the first condition, which is the cell or the score H2 greater than 89? If not, I want you to print A. Then we go to the next condition. Now, if we were using the if function, we would have had to type out the if function first. So we type the if as we have in, if we look at this, we have the if. Each time we have to repeat that if condition. But what we have here now is we don't have to repeat the if condition. This is all just one expression. We type the first condition, we set the parameter, we want it to, if it's greater than 89, we want you to print A. If it's greater than 79, print B. If it's greater than 69, print C, D, and then we get to the last condition, which is if it is greater than 0, print F. I'm going to press escape, and once you enter that, and now we can fill the formula, and you notice that we get exactly the same result. So this, using the IFS function, saves us a little bit time, and also if you look at when we use the if function, we had to make sure that we close the parentheses and ensure that we have the same amount of opened and closed parentheses. By using the IFS function, we just have one single expression all within a single parenthesis.